The Sedona area has two Arizona state parks that are worth visiting: Red Rock State Park and Slide Rock State Park. It's a beautiful morning. We're at the Red Rock State Park Miller Visitor Center. It's a beautiful visitor center, and I'll be back this afternoon after hiking and checking out the different sites. From the visitor center, we're heading out the Bunkhouse trail, heading down and across the Kingfisher Bridge. Let's see what we see here. Red Rock State Park is a 286-acre nature preserve and has over 5 miles of hiking trails. Expect to see wildlife on these hikes. House of Apache Fire is a cornerstone feature within Red Rock State Park. It was built by Jack Fry, aviation mogul and president of TWA, in 1947 on what was the Smoke Trail Ranch. In the 1980s, 286 acres of the original Smoke Trail Ranch became the Red Rock State Park, a nature preserve. Well, the House of Apache Fire is all closed off, gated, but I'll bet it was very beautiful back in the day. Red Rock State Park hiking sites include the Seven Warriors, Napoleon's Tomb, Three Sisters, and Cathedral Rock. Slide Rock State Park is located on a 43-acre historic apple farm, a 1930s era. There are a few short hiking trails on the bluffs of Oak Creek, which allow for a beautiful view of Slide Rock. However, the main reason to come here is to slide down the rocks and swim. It's a lot of fun.